What is up, YouTube? Just giving you guys a quick unboxing of something I got here. Just came in from StockX in Europe. I guess when I ordered these, they were a little bit early, so they did come from the overseas StockX location. I believe it was in London, actually. So take a look at what we got in the box. Open. Again, there is a lot of bubble wrap on these because they did come from StockX's London location. So get that bubble wrap out of there. Box still in really good shape. Get that one out of here. As you guys can see, it is an Air Jordan 1 box. The official colorway of this one is neutral gray and black, and the item code is 555088. 018. I got these in an 8.5, which is my normal Jordan 1 size. Let's go ahead and get inside the box. You guys can see here is my receipt from StockX that they are authentic. Put that over here as well. Got the sticker, of course, StockX card. That's nothing ordinary there. Got the paper. These look so much better in person. Oh yeah. There you have it. These are the Hyper Crimson and Gray Jordan 1s that released on January 24th. I did try to cop these on release date from the Sneakers app, but as everyone knows that on the Sneakers app with hot releases, you are going to take L's. They also released, I think, via Finish Line, Foot Locker. Foot Locker had some issues with their release. Also, they came out on Jimmy Jazz and Kicks USA. So a lot of places had them, but they did not have a lot of them. So luckily enough, I did put in my order for these on StockX a little bit early. I just wanted to put them, try to get them on Finish Line and Foot Locker sneakers so I can have a second pair to either keep stocked for a later wear or to resell, depending on how resale on these is. Resale on these is actually going, they're going pretty well right now. It's somewhere like in the $250 range last time I checked, but that has been going up by the hour. So if you haven't gotten these yet and you're seeing these now in person and you want to get your hands on these, I would suggest jumping on these quickly because resale on these I think is going to shoot up, similar to how the Spider-Mans did back in December. If you remember,